So if leg weakness after your stroke is still something that you're struggling with, this video is for you. Now today I'm going to show you three very straightforward, very simple seated leg strengthening exercises you can easily do at home on your own or with a little assistance if you need it, okay? For these three exercises, all you're going to need is a nice supported surface to sit on. And so today, as you can see, I'm just sitting in a very standard, very basic kitchen chair. You can do these exact same exercises from the edge of just about any chair. You can do it from your wheelchair, even from the edge of the bed if it's firm enough. The number one goal here is you want to be sitting forward so that your core is engaged. You know, those nice tight abdominal muscles. So all of those core muscles are working while you do the leg exercises, okay? All right, let's jump in. The first one I'm going to show you, these are very basic, is what we call a towel slide. So this is just one of the little cleaning rags I use around the house. You're going to get a towel or a rag and put it under your foot. You can have your sneakers on if you want, it doesn't really matter. But the towel is going to help you slide your foot forward and then back, right? It's going to push forward and then back, and that's it. So you should feel this a little in your hamstring. You'll feel it in the front of the leg, but again, you want to be sitting nice and tall. You're shooting for 10, 15, even 20 repetitions if you can. Or alternatively, you can set a timer. Just grab your phone or whatever timer you have, a stopwatch, and just do it for 1 minute. Now, the goal here is not quick, fast repetitions. You just want to move slow and controlled and really activate those muscles in your leg, okay? Again, slow forward, slide forward, and then drive that heel back, okay? Again, these are called towel slides. 1 minute or 10 to 20 repetitions, whatever you're able to tolerate at this point, okay? That's exercise number one. Now, notice I do have an ankle weight around my ankle. You do not have to do any resistance with any of these exercises. And for some of you, depending on where you are in your stroke recovery, you actually may not have enough strength in your leg coming back yet where you can do these movements with added resistance, and that's okay. Just get through the movement with your own body weight. So just moving your leg in exactly the same way without weight. And that's going to apply for all three exercises I show you today. All right. So that was number one, towel slide. All right. Next, we're going to sit up again, nice and tall. If you need a short break after doing the towel slides, then take that break as you need it. Everything should be at your pace. Listen to your body and go by how you feel, okay? So for exercise number two, still I'm going through this as if this is my affected leg here with the ankle weight on it. Again, I'm gonna sit nice and tall, and all I want you to do is to extend, meaning straighten that leg, kick that foot forward, and then place the foot back down on the floor, and that is it. Again, you're gonna straighten your leg and bend the leg. I usually tell people, even though this isn't a quick movement, I want you to think as though like you're kicking a soccer ball in slow motion, right? Extend the leg and then straighten the leg. And it's a burner. You're gonna feel this all around your quad, right? So straighten your leg and put your foot flat back on the floor. And that's it. It's really that simple. Again, you're gonna listen to your body. If you can do 10 of these, even if it's without any weight, then that's what you should do. If you can do 10 to 15 or nice, slow, controlled repetitions for a full minute, regardless of how many that is, that's another approach, okay? So this is exercise number two. You're gonna kick, so knee extension, and then bend and place the foot back down. Slow and controlled. And as always, if anything is painful, you're gonna wanna make modifications, scale back. If you have weight, take the weight off, okay? All right, are you ready for exercise number three? So just to recap, we started with the towel slides. We did the knee extension, so kicking that leg forward and just slowly placing it back down. And the last one of my favorites, because it's really going to get your core, is just a seated leg march. So it's just like it sounds. You're going to gently march your feet up and down, and this is going to get both sides working, right? Your strong side and your weak side. The key here is you don't want to be coming back. If you're needing to do that, that's a huge indicator that you've got some core weakness. So again, always use support and assistance if you need it, so that you can be in the right position and use good form for all of these exercises. And it's really that simple. And again, I have an ankle weight on, so it's adding a little resistance to this. You can obviously definitely do it without it and get a phenomenal workout, and I'm telling you, you will feel it. You can even use your own hands to press down on that weaker side to kind of give yourself a little bit of resistance as you build strength over time, okay? So I hope this is helpful to some of you out there. There are definitely, we all talk about stages of recovery, and there's different levels of intensity of exercises that everyone's going to be, at a different point in their recovery, which is going to, let you know whether or not you're able to do something. So some of these exercises, some of you may need to do things from the bed, and I do have a video about that. You can do things seated, and then another, many other videos showing you standing leg exercises. So you kind of have to make that decision and that judgment call for yourself based on where you are in your recovery, okay? If you guys have any other really cool exercises that you're already doing to help strengthen your lower body and your legs after your stroke, leave me a comment, let me know, because when we share things, you learn a lot just from hearing what other people are doing, and it's a great way to kind of have you guys support each other as you recover. All right. Thank you so much again, and I hope this was helpful. I'll see y'all next time.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.